Now, as with the back cushion, I am going to pull the parts into place and sew them just so that they manage to last a few more years. I wasn't asked to make new cushioning for this, so I'm just going to do the best I can with what I've got. And it might just pull through as it just did. This is quite an old chair. Just needs a little bit of TLC to help it last a few more years. Shouldn't take too long to whisk the stitches into place. If you have to reline any of the padding, do so. And with this, you can actually sew through the Dacron wrap. You don't have to be all nice about it. The more that's caught into the stitches, the better it is. There we are. That will all go into the case. And that, I think, can fold into there. So here again, I can just stitch it down. This is when I get my workouts. My cover's open all the way, like that. Fold my cushion in half as best I can, like that. And I'm going to push it into the case as far down as I can. I usually work around the cushion, just sort of easing bits of it into place as I go. If you keep the cushion folded, you don't put too much stress on the zip. I know the zip's got the folds around it, so it's pretty safe, but even so, it just helps. Hopefully, I'll be able to get the whole thing into its new case. I found over the years the easiest way to pull the cushions into place is kind of just rolling the fabric. If you have to fold the cushion the other way, then do so. That sometimes helps. This one goes this way. Do a little bit of wriggling. Should get all of that back into place. So I'm going to push it the other way. Now the cushion and the cover might not always work, so just kind of work everything in as you go. Once you're happy with that, find out where the zip is. Push everything to do with the zip in and then slowly work your zip into place. This often helps push the cushion to the front of the case. There we are. I think that will work. It looks even. Then all you do is you make your way around, snipping off any loose pieces of thread on either side of your piping. It's worth double checking. When you've done one side, flip it over and do the other. I'm sure once this chair has been sat in a few times, it will smooth itself out. There we go. Seat cushion done. Thank you for joining me with this project. I hope you realise that you can pick and choose which bits of an upholstery project you want to do. In this case, we repaired one of the legs and gave new life to the old seat cushion, back cushion and lumbar. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the bell button if you want to see more from me, and a couple of thumbs up would be really appreciated, and then I can see how well I'm doing. Take care, see you later. Ciao. Hey bad baby, go on, scoot.